Mango is a juicy and sweet fruit that is widely popular and consumed all over the world. It is native to Southeast Asia and is considered the national fruit of several countries, including India and the Philippines. Mango is high in vitamins and minerals, and is often used in a variety of dishes, from sweet to savory, as well as drinks and desserts. Mango is a healthy and nutritious fruit that is high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, as well as potassium, calcium, and iron. These nutrients are important for maintaining good health and preventing various diseases. Mango is also low in calories, making it a great snack for those who are trying to lose weight. Mango is also a popular ingredient in cosmetics and personal care products. The fruit's high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants make it an excellent ingredient for skin care products, as it helps to protect the skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. In conclusion, mango is a delicious, healthy, and versatile fruit that is enjoyed all over the world. Its sweet flavor, high nutritional content, and versatility in cooking make it a popular and important part of many cultures and cuisines. Whether eaten fresh or used in cooking, mango is a fruit that is sure to be enjoyed by all.